Agent Planet.
This is definitely the city of the future. Tablet charging ports on every street corner. Virtual reality parks for people to explore. Okay, it looks like a big empty space, but it will depend on what reality you're checking out. I think I'll call it Smart City.
Smart City. Oh, very modern.
You're gonna love this, Agent Planet. Look, in Smart City, all the vehicles are self-driving. They run on GPS, so I can get rid of the roads. And road signs. And parking spaces. The Autobubble cars can just take themselves home.
Well, you've certainly made a lot more space, but not sure that Smart City inhabitants are happy about your changes.
There's Autobubbles everywhere. You can't walk along the streets without one buzzing in the way. Maybe I'd better put roads back in.
Or something like roads. It's worth keeping some design features if they still do the job. Great thinking, though. What other ideas have you come up with?
Well, in Smart City, there will be Wi-Fi everywhere for free. I figured that we use the internet for pretty much everything, finding somewhere to eat and drink, or to map a route.
That's sensible. You're thinking about how people use technology now, and you can see it's something we can expect to be around for a while.
And drones for delivery. Look, we all order stuff off the internet, so what better way to get those parcels around without more vehicles on the roads?
Quite a lot of drones there. Kind of noisy, don't you think?
I guess, but check out how cool drones are.
Just because cool technology exists, it doesn't mean you have to include it. Just because it's, well, cool. It's important that any benefits aren't outweighed by harm. Look. After the Second World War, lots of towns and cities needed to be rebuilt. And with cheaper cars and more choice, everyone was very excited about owning a car. What a great way to get from A to B.
So they thought, let's make this place easy for cars to get around.
Yep, huge swathes of motorways and roads were built, connecting up the country. And to get onto the motorways, massive interchanges were constructed.
Wow, kind of insane, but impressive.
It was. But planners hadn't realised that this cool new technology had some not so cool side effects. The growing number of vehicles on the roads led to traffic jams, which meant that air pollution became an important factor. And those new roads were built over places where people already lived, harming those communities. To get across the roads, underpasses were built. But dark underpasses weren't always safe or pleasant places to be.
Alright, maybe I'll park my drones, but I was thinking it would be great if every house could have solar panels.
That's more like it. One of the smartest uses for new technology is when we're thinking about the energy that towns need. It's even possible for a town to use its own waste to produce energy. That's something that cities like Stockholm already use.
Cool. Well, I'm definitely keeping the virtual reality park.
Don't forget to have a few real parks and zoos too. You need real-life green spaces to support wildlife and also prevent flooding.
I'm guessing your virtual green space won't do the job.
Talking of prevention, looks like I'm needed to prevent another planning puzzler. Gotta go!
Thanks for the tips.
Agent Planet, created with support from the Royal Town Planning Institute. Find out more at funkidslive.com/agent.